guys, I have a very special video today. I'm really excited because we're doing an unboxing. So this is gonna be my first like official handbag unboxing on my channel. I decided why not do something special because I've never done one of these before for a handbag. I don't think, no. So well, before I open it, let me give you guys a little backstory, and I'll put a little annotation here if you want to skip through all my talking, but I like to talk. So I was in the market for a new handbag, and excuse my appearance, I was out running errands this morning, and because I'm on vacation, I just don't want to have to put on makeup and do my hair, so excuse my appearance. But yeah, I was in the market for a new handbag because it has been probably a year since I've gotten a new handbag. I don't think I got any bag last year, like designer bag. So I was like, what new bag should I get? I'm not really into a lot of the newer bags that are coming out lately. I tend to like very classic styles. My favorite brand is probably Louis Vuitton, but I'm not really drawn to any of their newer styles. They're a little too modern for me, and a lot of the styles I have are older styles, or if they're not older styles, they're more simplistic. And a lot of the things that are coming out now have lots of color and tassels, and I'm boring. My style is boring. You guys probably know that from watching me. So I was doing research, looking up people's bag collections, because sometimes that's how I get inspiration for what I want to get next. Because a lot of times when you see something online or in the store, you're not really drawn to it, but if you see it in person or if you see somebody talk about it, you're like, oh wow, like I could really use that in my collection. So I don't know how I actually, like, this bag is probably one of the very first Louis Vuitton bags that they started making. So I don't know how exactly it clicked in my mind to get it, but I was online and I know I read the history of this bag. And once I read the history, I was like, oh my goodness, I need this bag. And when I tell you guys about it and show you the bag, you will get it. So let's open up this box. It just arrived today. If you watched Vlogmas from this past year, you know there was a debacle trying to get my bag. I feel like every holiday time Louis Vuitton sells out of all their bags when they should just be making more stock, but who am I to tell them how to run their business? So I tried to have my SA help me, and he was no help, so I just decided to buy this bag online. So I did purchase this bag from the Louis Vuitton website, I think on the 22nd of December. Ooh, I'm so excited. Can you guys see? Yay! Ooh, I got the holiday packet. I got the holiday packaging. Okay, let me take this box out because it's really big. Okay, so this is the huge box that it comes in. It's literally wider than my body for once. And I do have the holiday packaging. Let's see if I wrote myself a note. Sometimes I do that when I buy things online. Let's see. Okay, well, let's get to the good part because I know y'all are sick of waiting. So this is the box. I love the new boxes and I love the holiday packaging. I'm sad I didn't get a bag, but that's okay. So let's take this ribbon off. It's so pretty. I hate to destroy it, but I want to get inside to the goods. Oh, I'm so excited. This is my Christmas gift to myself for a successful year. There have been a lot of great things happening, and I was like, girl, you deserve a bag. Okay, here's the dust bag. Can you guys guess what's in my bag? What's in your bag? Can you guys guess what bag this is? You probably can see it. Yay, I'm so excited, and I love this type of dust bag. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I have the Louis Vuitton Monogram Noe. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And here's the shoulder strap. It's not attached. You know, when I looked at this bag online, I was afraid that it was gonna be like too long and too big, but I forgot I'm a big girl. So this bag is perfect. It has the nice vachetta bottom Let's go over it to make sure there's no imperfections. I'm so excited about this piece. Well, yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Noe. This is the larger size. So yeah, this is the bag. I'm so excited. So basically, this bag was created for a gentleman, I believe, who wanted a bag that could hold 6 bottles of champagne. Is it 6 or 5? I think it's 5. So 4 at the base and then 1 turned upside down. And I love a little bubbly. So when I read the history of this bag, I was like, you know what? That's so interesting. That's so cool. I need this bag. So I love it. The only thing I have to do is try to figure out how I'm gonna tie this. But let me put the straps on. Okay, so I finally got the straps on this bag. Let me tighten up the drawstring. Y'all, this bag is sexy. I wonder if any of you actually guessed what I was getting. A lot of people probably would never think that this is a bag I would get because it's not very popular. It's a very old school bag. I love the pictures of Angelina Jolie wearing this bag because she wears it open and it just looks so nice. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So if you have this bag, let me know if you use an organizer. I'm a little worried about finding things in it because it's so like tall. And it's black, well, not black inside, but it's dark. So I might have to get a bag organizer, but I don't know. So if you have this bag, let me know. I'm super, super, super excited to use it. Yay. And there's nothing I love more than the smell of fresh leather. It does have a lot of vachetta on it, but I think I'll be okay. I'm pretty careful with my bags and I'm not really concerned about getting the bottom messed up. I mean, stuff is gonna happen, so yeah, I'll be okay. But yeah, I'm so happy. I can't wait to start using my new Christmas present. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any comments or questions. I will do a what's in my bag after using this bag for a while, but yeah, I'm super excited. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy my new Christmas present. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh wait, I forgot to show you the receipt. Let me see if anything else came in here. Okay, so in the little booklet, it came with a thank you note for shopping LouisVuitton.com, a return voucher, and then the receipt. So that's in there. And I will put a link down below if you want to know the price of the bag and where you can get it. Apparently, because this bag is not a very popular style, they don't have it in a lot of stores. So your best bet would probably be either checking online or calling the 1-800 number and having them see what store it's at. Then you can call yourself because I don't think they're doing like phone transfers during the holiday time. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to go stuff my bag full of my essentials and start using this baby. I will definitely provide you guys with an update. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any comments or questions down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.